Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a draft of a campaign. It can happen that you start creating a campaign in Google Ads and then you decide you don't want to use it, so you just stop in the process. But what happens is that it stays and it shows here at the campaigns level. So if you are in this menu, you see two drafts that are just not active, but they are not finished either. And you would expect that you could delete the draft if you don't want to finish it by clicking this edit sign, and then you can go on and remove the draft. But that's not the case. You can't do it with a draft. You can only do it with an active or post campaign. Basically, the campaign needs to be finished so that you can delete it. But to delete a draft, you need to go to Overview, and from here you scroll down and you see your drafts here, and you just scroll over draft and you click remove, and by removing the draft, this is another one, so I'm removing this one too. And by removing these two drafts, if you switch back at the campaigns level, you can see the drafts are gone for good and they are no longer here. So that's it. That's how you delete a draft in Google Ads.